Welcome to Vets on Vacation. In this video, we take you to Maui, one of the world's premier destinations to witness the majestic humpback whales. From unforgettable whale watching excursions to exploring the Hawaiian Island Humpback Whale National Marine Sanctuary, listening to their beautiful and unique sounds while snorkeling in their crystal clear waters and enjoying breathtaking sightings right from the beach, we have it all, and it starts right now. The majestic waters between Maui, Lanai, Kaho'olawe, and Molokai create a shallow bowl-like basin known as the Maui Nui Basin. Because these waters are relatively shallow and offer protection from deep ocean predators, they serve as the ultimate nursery and mating grounds for humpback whales. And our first stop, the Sanctuary Visitor Center in beautiful Kihei, Maui, your gateway to one of the world's most important humpback whale habitats. Right along the shoreline at the foot of Halilaka, this free, family-friendly center offers stunning views across the protected waters of the Hawaiian Island Humpback Whale National Marine Sanctuary. Here you will find engaging exhibits on whale biology, migration, behavior, and the latest research. Learn how scientists study and protect humpbacks, along with other marine life like green sea turtles, monk seals, and even coral reefs. Explore the adjacent historic fish pond and enjoy weekly programs, lectures, and hands-on activities perfect for all ages. We highly recommend this being one of your first stops when visiting Maui during whale season, as it serves as an excellent resource and a wealth of information, allowing you to recognize, understand, and enjoy what you are witnessing during your whale encounters and experiences. If you're looking for an unforgettable and up-close encounter with humpback whales while here in Maui, then add a whale watch to your itinerary. We recommend Teralani's Premium Whale Watch. We did their 2.5-hour tour out of Kāʻanapali Beach, and it was easily one of the best experiences of our trip. Check-in was simple, and after a quick briefing and instructions, we boarded right from the beach. The boat itself was gorgeous, a custom-built sailing catamaran made right here in the USA. It was super stable, had tons of room on the viewing decks, and it was perfect for panoramic photos. They did limit it to 35 guests, so it never felt overcrowded. The crew was fantastic, knowledgeable, friendly, and offered great educational commentary. We were excited to put to good use what we had learned at the Hawaiian Islands Humpback Whale National Marine Sanctuary on humpback whale behaviors, and yes, we saw multiple cows and calf pairs and even males battling it out for breeding in competition groups. They used a hydrophone so that we could hear the whales talking and singing. And the tour guarantees sightings, or you'll go again free on their classic watch, but we certainly did not need that. They included lunch, vegetarian options were available, as well as an open bar. Overall, this premium tour felt special from the start to finish. Vets on Vacation pro tip, they do offer a classic and a discount experience as well. So if you're looking for comfortable, informative, and an evening packed with wow moments, if you want Maui's best whale watch with all the extras, we recommend booking Teralani's. You really won't regret it. Looking to experience humpback whales without investing in boat tours? Simply snorkel from the beach. Check out the snorkel store for basic mask, snorkel, and fins, or bring your own. No boat needed. Be sure to sign up for the Maui Snorkel Report and then wade right in. Some relatively calm spots include Kapalua Bay and Kāʻanapali Beach Park. Put your head underwater and listen. Humpback whales sing incredible songs that travel for miles through the water. You can hear their deep moans, groans, and melodies echoing all around you, and even if the whales stay farther offshore, it's magical, peaceful, and totally free. Or pull up a chair and watch as they play, socialize, and feed right from the beach. It's one of the easiest, most inexpensive ways to connect with these gentle giants. Just respect the ocean, use reef-safe sunscreen, and enjoy responsibly. No guarantees every day, but when you hear those songs or see those beautiful spouts of water, or if you're really lucky, a breach, you'll never forget it. Maui's whale season officially runs from December 15th to May 15th, with the best viewing from January through March, when thousands of North Pacific humpback whales migrate from Alaska. February is considered the peak month for spotting active males and newborn calves, so plan your trip accordingly. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through paradise. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you're the first to know when the next video drops from Bets on Vacation. Looking for even more aloha? Check out our other videos featuring dreamy resorts with unreal views, action-packed excursions, fiery luau's under the stars, and breathtaking national parks across the islands of Oahu, Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island. Until next time, mahalo!